This is soil structure. Soil structures are two types. One is a chemical type structure and other is physical type structure. Chemical type structure is what? That which structure can made soil, this is called chemical structure, and which structure can made by soil, this is called physical structure. So here are two types of chemical structures. They are tetrahedral structure and octahedral structure. In this tetrahedral structure, one silicons are there, and oxygens, four oxygens are there, and it is like a diamond shape, and it is called tetrahedral structure. And other is octahedral structure, where there are one silicon and six oxygen particles, and this makes soil octahedral structure. It is these two are chemical structures. Now some physical structures are like that, single grain structure, which is very loose structure. If some sand or gravel or bigger particles are loosely deposited, then they can form single grain structure. After this, honeycomb structure. What is honeycomb structure? Which structure made by this made by this particle, which particles are around some pores, very big pores or very big voids, and this type of honeycomb, this is seen as a honeycomb. um, Inner portion is space, in this inner portion is space, and around this is there are soil particles, then this can be said as honeycomb structure. Then is flocculated and dispersed structure. What is flocculated structure? A flocculated structure is made by this flaky type soil particles. By this flaky type particles, they can made any square or any triangle type shape, and which are very very strong, very strong structure. It can take heavy load, and these are in there are in these particles, there are some discharge plus and minus. If plus minus are in this case, they can attract each other, and they can make flocculated, this type of flocculated structure. And for this dispersed structure, there are some flaky type particles, but they have similar charges, and they cannot attract each other, so they are some maintain some distance, and they are made like this, and they can cannot flocculated type, or they cannot flocculated type. They are put in a very beautiful form, like this. And this is a very weak bond structure, weak structure. This cannot take heavy load. This is called dispersed structure. After this, it is soil in water. After some discussion, after some discussion, we can go to this. There are some minerals also in the soil. We can see kaolite type minerals, Mont Morello type minerals, elite type minerals. So in this kaolinite minerals, this is hydrogen bond. It is very strong. If these minerals are present in soil, then the soil will be very strong. And it is Montmorillon structure. To Montmorillon mineral, it is like water bond mineral. And but for this water bond mineral, this is not suitable for not suitable for foundation or design or buildings, etc, but it is suitable for agriculture. The example of this montmorillonite mineral is black cotton soil. In this black cotton soil, much huge quantity of montmorillonites are present, and they can hold water. And after this is mineral elite. Elite is ionic bond. Elite name is came from Italy, and this ionic bond strength is medium. And the important, very important in mineral name is montmorillonite, which is water bond. So it is a hydrogen bond, it is water bond, and it is ionic bond.